In this episode of Motive Garage, presented by Sparesbox, we're giving our Porsche Boxster S a well-deserved makeover. In the last episode, we gave the car a mechanical check over and a bit of a clean, and so now it's time to give the exterior a little bit of TLC. It wasn't in good condition, there were lots of scratches all over it. It actually looked like it had been washed with a broom for about a decade, and there were a lot of dents and the paint was not in very good condition. So we grabbed some juice polishers and got to work with headlight restoration and paint correction. First thing we wanted to change was the badges. We removed the silver badges and chrome fins and installed matte black OEM badges. We originally thought the car was satin black when we picked it up, but now you can see the metallic flakes and pearl in the gloss black paint. We reached out to Matt from Dent to perform paintless dent removal on some of the very prominent dings and damage to the exterior.
Paintless dent removal is like, for instance, removing hail that has dented the panel but hasn't cracked the paint. We massage it out from behind. That's why it's called paintless dent removal. I've done thousands of hail damaged cars, so in my time I've been going for over 20 years. So it keeps the car's structural integrity. Andrew gave us a call to fix some dents on this Porsche that they're going to do some work on. The dents on the bonnet were someone leaving a tool either on the spare wheel in there or on the plastic panel and then shutting the bonnet down, and those causing a high spot on the outside heading out. You have to tap it down, make it a dent again, and then push that dent back out. It's pretty hard because one of them cracked the paint and stretch the metal a bit, so it's not 100%, but it's pretty good.
Correcting the paint also showed out which scratches couldn't be buffed out, so the final stage was to fill the scratches, sand them back, then buff over them with juice polishers. Not all the scratches could be completely removed, but they are much better than before, and it's starting to look like a different car already. We all know that wheels make the car, and I wanted to change them to something more modern and performance orientated. We reached out to Koya Wheels for a set of SF13s in 18 by 8.5 inches up front and 18 by 9.5 at the back in ultra charcoal. Wheels make the look, but tyres make the performance. For the Boxster S, we got some Zestino Greg 07R tyres. Their 240 treadwear performance street tyre is a great all-rounder for track and street. We took them to the guys at Prestige Tyre and Auto to get them fitted up. With paint correction done, the headlights restored and some new wheels and tyres, my Boxster S has gone from looking like trash to shining treasure. Before and after, it's looking 1,000 times better than the car we started with. Now that we have the car looking good, it's time to get it handling better. So tune into our next episode where we will be doing suspension upgrades and some track testing. See you next time.